In this quick guide, I'll show you how to convert a PDF to a JPG image using Adobe Acrobat. Whether you need an image for a presentation or just want to extract a page, this method is fast and simple. First, open your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat. Once it's open, go to the Tools section. Under the Create and Edit section, click on Export PDF. This feature allows you to convert your PDF into various formats. From the export options, select Image and then choose JPEG as your desired format. Before exporting, you can adjust the quality by clicking the Settings icon next to the format. In the drop-down menu, select your preferred quality, for example, JPEG High Quality. You can also customize other settings, but for most cases, the default options work just fine. Once you're happy with the settings, click Export. Choose a location on your computer where you want to save the JPG file and then click Save. Adobe Acrobat will now process the conversion. Finally, navigate to the folder where you saved the file. You'll see that your PDF has been successfully converted into a JPG image. And that's it, you're all set.